The image mask is another way to create a mask within Vizrt. You also have other options such as the frame mask, the soft mask, and also the mask source and target found within the globals folder, and the window mask as well. However, this image mask is a little bit different than others. So to demonstrate how this works, we're going to go into our server and we're just going to drag a image into our scene tree. So here we just have a picture of a city. We're just going to scale it up so we'll see it a little bit better. Now we're going to jump back into our built-ins within the shader tab, the effect folder, the image mask. We're going to drag this onto our container. We're going to click on the image mask, and here in the properties editor it's waiting for some type of image. There's a blank box here, so that means we need to go back into our server and select some type of image to mask this out with. So we'll come into our images here and find an image that we want to use to mask this out. We have a black and white image here, maybe something that we made from the light blur plugin, and you can see it's kind of a soft edge. If we want to just create a hard edge here, we'll do that just to demonstrate this a little bit better, and we'll see it better. So you can see now that we drug this image mask on here, how it's masking out this image. So obviously whichever image you're going to use is going to create the mask here. So choose one that you want to use, and then below that we have a blend factor that we can increase or decrease the blend factor, and you can see how that kind of increases or decreases the brightness of the picture and or the mask. There's a position X, we can slide this left or right. There's a position Y, we can slide it up and down. A scale X, so we can scale this on the X, and then we can scale it on the Y as well. We have a fit button set to screen and or object, so it will just fit it when you select one of those options. We also have a wrap, which is set to repeat by default. And notice as we scale this down on the X, this extra mask on the side is the repeat function. If we change it to clamp, it's going to get rid of them, and then we can just scale that up a little bit more if need be. Also, the mask aspect set to screen by default. We can also change that to mask. There's an invert, so if you wanted to flip this mask, you can. And then we also have the alpha only. So using the image mask here is one way to create a mask. So if you do need a circular mask, then this is one way you can do it.